For those of you who have a problem with this volume wheel on Razer keyboards, with either turning up and down unevenly, like jumping up and down super fast while turning the wheel, or even in the worst case, which is also in my case, it starts turning up and down by itself without touching it, then you are in the right place. So the first solution is to use some sort of compressed dust cleaner like this one. So what you gotta do is to spray around the corner and make sure you're turning the wheel while spraying it in order to get all the dust out completely. For me, this is a solution that works temporarily, but the problem should come back in a couple of days. So it's more like a short-term solution to this. So the second solution is to disable this button through Razer's configuration app, but I don't want to open this app every time I turn on my laptop or computer. So this is a solution for those of you guys don't mind opening the app. So the third solution is to disable this button by disassembling the keyboard. What you need to do is to unscrew all those screws over here and some over there, and there's another one under the slipping pad. So here is the turning wheel. You need to push the plastic holder, take the cable out, and leave it like this. And that's it.